Let's do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop, 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 pop! No! It's still going.
It popped.
So the whole rocket assembly ejects out the back, comes on a parachute, and it glides down. In the future, we'll put servos on here.
And then we'll put FPV on it.
Yeah.
Wait, what rocket is this? Oh, Discover RC, NASA. I can't believe you wrote those letters so neatly.
I was actually looking for some white lettering at the store and I couldn't find any. Is the airspace clear? 1, here we go.
Are you impressed? All right, rocket's fun.
4, 3, 2, 1. It's in the woods.
No, it's really close.
Oh, good.
That's high-tech defense, man.
Hey, Yuri!
Go.
1.
Just trim the other side and I think we'll be good.
Fixed it. Oh, wrong way.
Fixed it. I think you should stick to airplanes.
I think you're right.
How's it doing?
R2's dead. Time for a new unit.
This is not the droid you're looking for.
I need one that speaks over 8 million binary languages fluently.
Binary languages are important. Have you learned any?
No.
Do you like rockets?
No.
At least she's honest. You ready to do it? Back up the truck, Em.
So start out real slow and then start going faster and faster, okay? Okay, go ahead. Okay, go faster.
You gotta go faster and faster, okay?
Okay.
Faster and faster. You know it's a rock crawler, Steve. It doesn't really go that fast. There's no way this is gonna work. All right, go, go, go. Start going.
Hit it.
There you go.
Faster, Emma.
Full speed. She's full speed, dude. It just can't go fast enough. If you want to do it, we'll get a different car next time. Whoop.
Oh.
Ah, nice. The walk of shame.
How's that?
Oh, man.
It's Battery hanging out.
What's